Good morning, y'all. Hope y'all have done well over the week. My hair's still kind of on the wild side. We just hung out for last week. I was kind of on information overload. Like when you take in so much, your brain goes. Yeah, I kind of took a week to get over that. I'm going to review 3 cookbooks for humans, and yes, 1 cookbook for pets. Let's get into that one. This was written by a vet, Kathy Alavani. Anyway, and Susan Thrigston. It is on cooking meals for your pets. It gives you really good ideas on how to do it, how to make the adjustment, get them going for the regular commercial food to this to more healthier diet. Now, this is one that I really wanted for a long time. It's not so much a cookbook as a canning journal. And you put your recipes in here. Well, I'm going to use books. Put the recipe up here, the source, and what it was, how I did it, any changes I made, or seasonings go. Of course, you do not want to can your own recipes, because there's certain ratios you have to stay with. Now, I got this sourdough school book. Now, this has got a lot of information, and it has quite a bit of recipes too. How good does that look? Just think about some butter melted over it. Oh my god. And the last one is going to be Apollonia. I'm not sure how to say her last name. I can just say the first name. Anyway, this family has had a store in France for years. And it's even endorsed by Hello Anna Garden. Yep. And yeah, it's reviewed. My mouth is stirred too, but who cares? So, those are the 2 books I got for bread, my canning journal, and the dog cookbook. That's that. Tomorrow, a little bit later, I'm going to do some cooking. I'm going to record. And tomorrow, my Anarchy Land people, we're going to get into this whole push to defund law enforcement. Because I do not see anything good happening from that. I mean, nothing good could come from that one. So, I am going to go now, get some things done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.